seen Froya Organics popping up online with promises of glowing skin, anti-aging magic, and all-natural ingredients. Is it actually worth your cash or is it just another skincare scam? Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Froya Organics markets itself as a premium skincare line using clean, organic ingredients to fight wrinkles and boost radiance. The official website looks polished and the branding feels high-end. But looking at real feedback, it's kind of a mixed bag. On Trustpilot, some users say the products are decent but overpriced, while others complain about weak results and frustrating customer service. And on Reddit, one user gives an honest review saying it wasn't bad but nothing amazing either. Definitely not the miracle serum the ads claim it to be. So, is Froya Organics a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product, but the results don't seem to match the hype, especially for the price. If you're serious, maybe try it during a sale, but don't expect overnight miracles. Have you tried Froya Organics? Love it or regret it? Drop your honest take in the comments, and hit like and subscribe for more no-flop product reviews. Before we end this video, also a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research. Well, I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description.